Once upon a time, there was a family that lived in a castle. There were 3 boys and 7 girls in the family. How many family members were there altogether? The family went swimming. SpongeBob saw the ladies in the family. How many did SpongeBob see? Hello, ladies. At the pool, a man named Spencer was there. He likes to trick people and be mean. Spencer lured 3 of the family members away with candy. How many were left in the castle? Want some candy? Then the guards came and fought Spencer. But the guards got tricked with candy too. After Spencer tricked the guards, he went to the castle to steal Krusty's jewelry. On the way home from the beach, the Peters family stopped to get gas. When they got home, they found Spencer stealing Krusty's jewelry. They called the guards, but they weren't there. So they called the cops and they came and arrested Spencer. The cops found the guards. Then they found the 3 family members that Spencer had kidnapped, and they were all safe. Then Blake and Krusty got married, and the whole family lived happily ever after.